Hello, English learners. Today, we'll learn how a housewife can talk about her daily routine in English. Ready? Let's begin. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I thank God for a new day. I thank God for a new day. I stretch my body and get out of bed. I stretch my body and get out of bed. I fold my blanket and make my bed. I fold my blanket and make my bed. I open the windows for fresh air. I open the windows for fresh air. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower and wear clean clothes. I take a shower and wear clean clothes. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I prepare breakfast for my family. I prepare breakfast for my family. I make tea or coffee. I make tea or coffee. I pack my children's lunch boxes. I pack my children's lunch boxes. I iron my husband's clothes. I iron my husband's clothes. I help my kids get ready for school. I help my kids get ready for school. I send my children to school. I send my children to school. I wash the morning dishes. I wash the morning dishes. I clean the dining table. I clean the dining table. I sweep and mop the floor. I sweep and mop the floor. I dust the furniture. I dust the furniture. I water the plants. I water the plants. I feed the pets. I feed the pets. I fold the laundry. I fold the laundry. Wow! You've done so much already, and you said it all in English. Afternoon routine. I cook food for lunch. I cook food for lunch. I set the table and serve lunch. I set the table and serve lunch. I eat lunch with my family. I eat lunch with my family. I clear the table after lunch. I clear the table after lunch. I clean the kitchen counter. I clean the kitchen counter. I put leftover food in the fridge. I put leftover food in the fridge. I wash some clothes. I wash some clothes. I hang the clothes outside to dry. I hang the clothes outside to dry. I fold dry clothes and keep them in the cupboard. I fold dry clothes and keep them in the cupboard. I organize the living room. I organize the living room. I change the bed sheets. I change the bed sheets. I clean the bathroom. I clean the bathroom. I take a short rest. I take a short rest. I drink a glass of water or juice. I drink a glass of water or juice. I call my friend or mother. I call my friend or mother. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I help my children with homework. I help my children with homework. I cut vegetables for dinner. I cut vegetables for dinner. I make evening tea or coffee. I make evening tea or coffee. I give snacks to my family. I give snacks to my family. Great work! You're learning English naturally while doing your home tasks. I go to the market to buy vegetables. I go to the market to buy vegetables. I check the grocery list carefully. I check the grocery list carefully. I clean the fridge. I clean the fridge. I start cooking dinner. I start cooking dinner. I prepare the table for dinner. I prepare the table for dinner. I serve dinner to my family. I serve dinner to my family. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I clean the stove and sink. I clean the stove and sink. I wipe the kitchen floor. I wipe the kitchen floor. I iron some clothes for tomorrow. I iron some clothes for tomorrow. I prepare my children's school uniforms. I prepare my children's school uniforms. I check my children's homework. I check my children's homework. I put things back in their places. I put things back in their places. I pray and thank God for the day. I pray and thank God for the day. I switch off the lights. I switch off the lights. I go to bed and sleep. I go to bed and sleep. If you liked this video, please tap the like button. Write in the comments, I will practice English daily. And subscribe for more simple English lessons for housewives. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you in the next lesson.